you're saying you have kids. So, I mean, obviously at one time it must have been very crazy. So,
it was insane. I have 4 kids, and I was a
oh,
single mom when the youngest was in kindergarten. So it
wow.
was insane. It was
So,
insane.
so how do you juggle your work life with your family life now?
So my kids are grown, right? They're out of the house. But here's the beautiful thing. One of the things that I deliberately did when I was creating the world I live in now, is I deliberately created a business that doesn't require me to be anywhere at any one time. Like I don't have to be in, this town on every Tuesday ever. So I am able to, my kids are grown. I have 2 granddaughters and another one I have a grandson on the way. So my daughter who's pregnant, I told her my plan is I'll come hang out 2 days a week. I'll work Tuesdays and Wednesdays from your house, and I'll sleep over Tuesday night, and I'll help you with the baby. And, she's working from home, and I'm not going to I can work from anywhere. I deliberately created that. So I feel really lucky that I was able to do that. And again, when you know better, you do better, right? I could have done that when I was younger. I just didn't know that I could do it then. So now I do that. I've created my, I have parents in their 80s. So recently I had to help them out. I had to, go to Florida for 2 weeks, and I'm so grateful that I was able to do that. So,
Wow. Yeah.
yeah.
So
I mean, listen, I'm by myself most of the time, right? So it's not like it's taken up a ton of my time, but I'm so glad I can do it when I can.